To show and use the snooze button in notification on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find notification. Tap notification and then tap advanced setting. Now tap the gray on off switch next to show snooze button until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When this option is on and you are receiving a new notification, let's say a WhatsApp message, open the notification panel, tap the notification, and you can see your phone is now displaying a snooze button. To use this snooze button, tap the snooze button and then select the desired duration. You like your phone to show the selected notification again. As the example, we will select 30 minutes and then tap save button. By doing this, your phone will hide the selected notification from the notification panel and status bar, and then show the notification again in 30 minutes later. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.